No kill my ass. Recording my ass. Beat your ass. What the hell? I just got blew up. I hate this game. I said that, did I? Damn it! I'm gonna destroy. Stop! I'm not recording my ass, Devin. I see you pointing the camera at me when I do something. Please. Go away! Get out! I swear to God, if you kill me, I'll scream on top of my lungs. Rip the suit out of your body.